Satnam and welcome. I'm Param Dave and this is Yogic Living. Today I'm going to be talking about the 999 portal coming up on Tuesday. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, today I wanted to talk about the 999 portal and what that means. So, first of all, let's go into numerology, specifically Tantric numerology. So, Tantric numerology is based on 1 through 11. After 11, you put the numbers together, like for example 12. 12 is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 equals 3, so you reduce that down to 3. So anything above 11, you add it together and reduce it down. So so Tantric numerology has to do with the 10 bodies or the 11 bodies that are associated with our body, with our physical body. Now, a lot of people don't know, outside of the yoga community, don't really know about these bodies. So these bodies are, number 1, the soul body. Number 2, the negative mind. Number 3, the positive mind. Number 4, the neutral mind. Number 5, the physical body. Number 6 has to do with the arc body. It includes the arc line. For a woman, they have 2 arc lines. They have one from nipple to nipple and the one over the earlobes. The next is the auric body. A lot of people are familiar with that. It's very common. It's that field around your body. The next is the pranic body. Number 8, the pranic body. The pranic body has to do with the energy that's around you. Number 9 is the subtle body. The subtle body and the soul body are the only bodies that you carry with you from lifetime to lifetime. Your subtle body, one of its functions is to kind of collect all the information, all the knowledge, all the wisdom from all your past lives and put them together. 10 is the radiant body. It extends out from your body, ideally 25 miles. And then there's the 11, the oneness with God, the completion. So, but we're going to focus on the 9, because 999. And let me tell you how we get that. Okay, first of all, obviously, September is the 9th month. Well, on September 9th, it's the 9th day. And the year added together, 2025 equals 9. Because again, any number over 11, you add those numbers together. And if you add 2025 together, it equals 9. So this is a very powerful time. Very powerful. So let's get in more to this number 9. So each of these numbers has like a little saying. 9s is mastery or mystery. So very provocative, very provocative. But what does that mean? What that means is that you can use this number to master things. You can master the subtlety of it. Otherwise, you're not going to see anything. You're not going to see anything at all, and it's going to be a mystery to you. So, what we can do with this 999 portal, now that everything is kind of lined up, we can use that to initialize something new, something that you want to fix, break, or master. Let's say that you have a bad habit that you want to break, like smoking. This 999 portal will kind of give you that boost. So let's say that you've already, kind of doing different things. Maybe you're on the patch, maybe you're doing that breath work that I taught you the other day or a few weeks ago. Um, or maybe you're doing something totally different. That's fine. That's fine. But if you do something specifically on that day for that, maybe do that breath or another exercise or something else, something different, something to break that. Spend some time with it. Maybe spend some time, more time than you normally would. Maybe instead of giving it 11 minutes, give it 22 or even 31. There's magic in those numbers. They say if you do something for 11 minutes, that it helps to initiate that change. If you do something for 22 minutes, it helps to balance all your mental minds, your negative mind, your positive mind, and your neutral mind. They come together and they start working in tangent towards whatever you're working for. And if you do it for 31 minutes, it'll affect the aura. Think about that. Your aura, your vibration. Your vibration can either attract or repel things. Attract things that you want in your life, repel things that you don't want in your life. So if you take that to that 31-minute level on that day, you'll get a significant boost in your energy, or in your, in your endeavor, if you would want to say. And it will very, very much help. And so that's all I have to mention about this number 9. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like. Comment down below if you want to hear me talking about more stuff about numerology. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos, and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified next time I upload one of these things. Satnam. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.